Okay, moving on to the exam style questions. They want us in this question to write 3 to the 4 times 3 to the 5 divided by 3 to the 2 as a power of 3. So I think the most sensible thing to do is sort out the numerator and go 3 to the 4 times 3 to the 5 is equal to 3 to the 9. 3 to the 9 divided by 3 to the 2 is the same as writing 3 to the 9 divided by 3 to the 2, which is equal to 3 to the 7, like that. We're looking at write down the value of 3 to the negative 3. Okay, so guys, remember the rule that we talked about. When we have a negative power, we want to put 1 over the value and just get rid of the negative, which then becomes 1 over 27. Oh, yep, that's fine. And looking at the next question, that's why I just said, uh, this is a rule I forgot to mention, but we'll just go over it now. Anything to the power of 0 ends up being 1. So 100 to the power of 0 is 1. 2.738 to the power of 0 is 1. So in this case, obviously 3 to the 0 is just equal to 1. That's just another indices rule that you'll have to know. Okay, yeah, this is 14 p to the 3 times by p to the 5 is equal to p to the 8. Just simple multiplication rules as we looked at before. 4ab squared cubed. We want to do this as 4 cubed, which is equal to, if I can work out now, 64. And then a to the 1 times by q, so it's a cubed, because we have a to the 1 here, so times by 3, and then b squared cubed to b to the 6. Just write that out like that, and we get 64 a cubed b to the 6. So in this one, simplify 16m7 n cubed divided by 4m cubed n. So let's just write this out as 16m7 n cubed divided by 4m cubed n, and we get, first, obviously dealing with the numbers, 16 divided by 4 is 4, m to the 7, m7 divided by m cubed is m4, n cubed divided by n to the 1 is just n squared, so we get 4m to the 4 n squared. Perfect. Okay, now this is a slightly more interesting question, which is why I put it in here. This is something very different. So, looking at number 15, we have 1000 to the power of 4 is equal to 10 to the power of x, and we need to work out this value of x, which makes this equivalent to this. Okay, so using our indices rules, what we want to do is make the bases the same, because as we looked at before, so a, m, and a, n, we always like to deal with indices when they're in the same bases. So what we can do is we can see that we can write this 1000 as a base of 10. Forget the power of 4 for now. We want to write this as a base of 10. So 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 1000, because 10 times by 10 is 100, times by 10 again is 1000. Perfect. So we can write this 1000 as 10 cubed. Obviously that's the inside term, and then to the power of 4, because we have this to the power of 4 here, outside, and then we can say this is still equal to 10 to the x, and we know from our indices rules that this is 10 to the 7, which makes x equal to 7. Number 17, the reciprocal of 8. Remember, when anything to the reciprocal of a general term x is x to the minus 1, so in this case x is our 8, so 8 to the minus 1. And when we have a reciprocal, or a negative in fact, we just apply 1 over x, 1 over the general term, so that is the reciprocal, 1/8. Okay, finally we're at this question, just a slightly more long-winded one, but nothing you shouldn't be able to do after watching today's video. So let me write this out. 10p cubed q5 r divided by 4p cubed q to the 6. We first want to deal with the numbers again, as I always say. 10 divided by 4 can be simplified to 5 over 2. Okay, we're going to do it on this side this time. P cubed divided by p cubed. So p cubed divided by p cubed. P will go to p to the 0, which is just equal to 1. So 5 over 2 times by 1. When I put brackets, it means times in. So then we have q to the 5 divided by q to the 6, which is equal to q to the negative 1. Put that there. And then r, and there's no equivalent, there's no r to divide with on that side, so r is just like that. And we get 5 over 2 r q to the negative 1. Okay, that's going to conclude our video on indices. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. And if there's anything, as always, that I made a mistake, or you don't understand certain things that I've been going over, just drop it in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.